Google Chrome finally has the vertical tabs feature, and you can use this right now. If you're using Chrome Beta or Canary channel and you right click on the empty space next to tabs, you'll see a new option called Show Tabs Vertically. If you click on it, it makes the tabs vertical. You can also collapse it or expand it. Other way to access this feature is by going into the settings by clicking on three-dot menu and then more tools, and here you'll see show tabs vertically option. So you can also toggle this from here. Now if you don't see this feature on your Chrome, you may have to enable it from Chrome flags. So go in here and search for vertical tabs and just enable it. By default it will be set to default. Just enable it and then restart your browser, and then you'll be able to use the vertical tabs feature. Now, this feature is also present in stable build of Chrome, but you have to enable it. Okay, it's not enabled by default. So same thing, you have to go to Chrome flags and then search here vertical tabs, and then you have to enable it, and then you have to relaunch your browser. Now, the stable build of Chrome might get stuck if you enable this feature. So you may have to kill the background process of Chrome from taskbar, search for Chrome in taskbar and right click and then end task, and then relaunch the stable Chrome. And after that, you can right click anywhere on empty space next to the tabs. And here you'll see option, move tabs to side. And you can just click on it to get the vertical tabs. Now you may have noticed one thing. They are named differently in stable version of Chrome and the beta version of Chrome. Okay, so in beta it is called vertically, show tabs vertically, and in stable it is called move tabs to top. Right now this feature is still in testing phase. It's experimental. So the beta one, which says show tabs vertically, will be the finalized name because it's ahead of stable version. And in stable build, if you go to the three-dot menu and more tools, you won't see that option. So if you prefer the vertical tabs and you wanted the vertical tabs in Chrome, yeah, here it is. You can start using it and have fun. To be honest, I'm not a huge fan of vertical tabs because I don't really open too many tabs on my browser. So, you know, the horizontal will do fine. And yeah, that's it for this one. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or have any suggestions for me, you can always do the comment and we can have some chit chat in the comment section too. Yeah, that's it. I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye-bye.